If you're trying to choose between Microsoft Word and online document editors like Google Docs or OnlyOffice, this video will help you understand their differences and which tool might suit your needs best. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more productivity tips. Microsoft Word has been the go-to word processor for decades. It offers advanced formatting options, professional templates, and strong offline capabilities. Word is perfect for creating reports, resumes, proposals, and any document that requires precise control over layout and design. Its deep integration with Microsoft 365 apps like Excel, PowerPoint, and Outlook makes it ideal for business environments where these tools are commonly used. On the other hand, online document editors like Google Docs and OnlyOffice focus on cloud-based collaboration and accessibility. Google Docs allows multiple users to edit documents in real time, leave comments, and track changes from any device with an internet connection. OnlyOffice also offers collaborative editing, but adds robust project management and team workflow features, making it suitable for small businesses or teams that want both document editing and task management in one platform. The key differences are collaboration, accessibility, and formatting capabilities. Word excels in offline editing and advanced formatting, while Google Docs and OnlyOffice shine in real-time collaboration and cloud access. Choosing the right tool depends on whether your priority is professional formatting or seamless teamwork. In conclusion, Microsoft Word, Google Docs, and OnlyOffice each have unique strengths. Word is perfect for offline, highly formatted documents, while Google Docs and OnlyOffice are ideal for collaborative projects and cloud-based workflows. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips on productivity and document tools.